Hi, this is Rusty Vernon with Vernon Management Group. Today we're going to talk about Nvidia. Yesterday, Nvidia broke out of a base. Um, well, let me make a couple of notes here so you can see what's going on. This base right here was a base that had a depth of 11%, and the pivot was 505, which was the high that was created back in November. The base was only 31 days long, but as the price rose above $505, the volume really started to expand. And you can see that right there.
Hey, real quick, if you're interested in learning more about what we do, you can come to our website, vernonmanagementgroup.com, and click right here for a free consultation.
Today, it's following through on its breakout. It's been as high as, I think, around $545. Right now, it's trading around 531. So it's up a little under 2%, and the volume has expanded plus 79% above average. Nvidia is special because, the fundamentals really shifted in July, and you can see that down here. The earnings were expected to be 51 cents, and instead they were $2.70, and that just started an avalanche of buying. Sales were up 100%. Then at the end of October, those earnings jumped from 58-cent estimate to $4.02. So earnings went up 593%. Earnings are due again in late February, but right now we have a situation where Nvidia has been basically going sideways since August. Um, and this is presenting a really nice opportunity for people who want to buy a breakout. If we look at the monthly, this is a monthly view. You can see Nvidia's up 7% for the month, and it has broken out to a new high on the monthly charts. The relative strength is a 97, which is excellent. On a weekly basis, looks like we have a double bottom base. That breakout failed, which started this flat base that's 7 weeks old. And this week, the relative strength line hit a new high before the price actually did. So this one could still go a long way. What you really want to look for before a base is built is a prior uptrend. And you can see Nvidia goes from right around $200 to $500 before going sideways. We can see it back here in March of 21 and June of 21. Get a nice move up. Stock goes from 140 to almost 200, goes sideways, moves up, goes sideways, moves up to almost 300. So these sideways patterns are pretty normal after a long advance. And what a lot of people do is they wait for a second opportunity to buy the stock if they missed out, down here. And Nvidia presented that for the world yesterday.